What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. I want to go over the trade that I had today on Tesla. So first of all, I want to show you what happened. I traded Tesla. I caught Tesla puts today to the downside after the break of 158.5, and I made around $7,000, 71.67. And I will go over it with you guys to show you what happened, why I traded Tesla, and like the whole story behind it. All right, so let's go over the daily chart of Tesla. Tesla had earning, so ignore these arrows here. I just had these add these arrows just to show you my trade here. But Tesla had earning on April 20th, and then after the earning, it gapped down. Sorry, so it gapped down below 176.5, 177, all the way down till 165. So after this gap, Tesla was obviously on watch here. I even traded Tesla right here as well. But after this gap, Tesla was on watch for me. I called it out. I told everyone in the community to watch Tesla because of this big earning that it had, and it gapped down. So after the gap down, it's like it was consolidating for a couple of days. It kind of touched 160 zone and bounced back up, and it was just consolidating between 158 and 165, 166 for 3-4 days. So I had Tesla on watch, and I was watching it, as you can see, above this 166. I had an alert, and below this 158, 159. I told everyone in the community, as you can see here, that okay, Tesla is on watch. Let me put myself here. Tesla is on watch. It could be good if we go based on my game plan, and if we go over my game plan and scroll all the way down, I called out Tesla below 158.5, right? So here you can see that I was watching Tesla here. I knew that if it gets below 158, sellers can be really aggressive. So I caught Tesla right when it kind of broke this 158.5 area, right? And it was kind of holding this level. So I loaded some puts here, and I was kind of holding it. I started adding from 949 all the way up till 953, and I held it. I scaled out around 956, 957, and then finally at 1005. So yeah, overall it was a great trade. I kind of sold the last few contracts with almost 100% return. Obviously, if I was holding, I could get more profit. I could get to like 160, 170% return. But that's not how trading works. I'm kind of scalper day trader, and I caught this big move. It was pretty interesting. And like I followed my game plan. Everyone in the community kind of followed the game plan as well. So yeah, this is my kind of entry and exit on Tesla. I have a little bit more here, but more trades down here, but like around $7,000. And this is my trade on Tesla. And by the way, this platform is Das Trader. If you want to know what Das Trader is, it's an execution platform, and you can kind of connect your broker to Das Trader to be able to trade. But it's an awesome broker. It's very fast and very good for active traders. So my entry point was around here. I kind of scaled out a little bit here, and finally at 1050, 1005. Right. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go to metatradingclub.com to get your ebook. There are only 20 ebooks available per week. I wrote the ebook From Struggles to Trading Profits. This is my story from like being an international student in Canada to making thousands of dollars, getting to six figures, buying investment properties. Like this is the whole story, and you can go and check out the free trading lesson at metatradingclub.com. So if you have any questions, let me know. See you in the next video.